Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to another video. Today's video, you guys are going to claim this airdrop. Okay, this is Ethereum Express airdrop. Okay, they are building a layer 1 network. Okay, and they've got their own blockchain. Okay, this is going to be one of the best projects I'll be airdropping here. Okay, I want you guys to make sure you join the airdrop. The last airdrop we did on here on this YouTube channel or TikTok you're watching me on was mini pepper. You guys made about $5 on that airdrop. Okay, I hope you guys are happy about that. So to join this airdrop, make sure you follow me. You join my Telegram channel. Okay, you'll see the link down in the description. Okay, and you guys should get on there. And what we are going to do is to join their Twitter account, and we are going to join their Telegram and all of that, Instagram, Facebook, and many other stuff. And after that, we are going to drop our own wallet address, and we are going to wait for them to, credit us. And that's what we are going to be doing right now. It's very simple, guys. Make sure you follow me on here as well. So when you get on the airdrop link, okay, you are going to see this. So you click on join their Telegram channel. Okay, I've joined it, and that's the reason why I'm clicking on continue. So after doing that, you come here to click on continue to verify, and this will give you a good mark. Then you know that yes, you are actually following up. So right here, I've already followed them, so I'm going to click on here to submit my username. That's my Twitter account username. So after I've done that, I'm going to click on continue. So you have to click on continue if you're very sure that you followed them. Okay, and you're going to verify it. So right here, let's see what we get from here. Okay, it's telling us to sign in, so I'm going to sign in right here. If you don't have any account, you can just make sure you put in you can log in your Twitter account right there. Okay, and we are going to as well follow them on Facebook. Okay, I've not followed them yet, so I'll follow them right now. So when you get on here let's go back on there. Okay, this is their Facebook. I'll follow them right now. Sorry about that. I'll follow them right now. So after following them, then so as you can see, I'll follow them. Okay, try to get on their social media handle, okay, and check everything they're trying to build. Okay, I'm not telling you guys to invest in this coin. This is actually a free airdrop. Everybody can participate and get something. It's for everybody. Okay, so right here we're going to join their Instagram account. Okay, we're going to follow them on Instagram. Okay, so you click on there. After clicking on there, then we follow them. Okay, so let's wait for this to come up. Okay, so what you do is to follow them. After following them, then we have to come back on here on this website, on this gleam.io. Okay, and click on continue. That we've done that. Okay, on here as well, we are trying to join their channel. Okay, I didn't do that. So after joining their channel, we are going to go back on. Okay, whenever if you feel any talks, you click on continue to confirm, so you can get the verification badge right there, which is a good mark. So the next one is going to be to submit our wallet address. Okay, let's go up. Okay, so on here you can see that we need Metamask. If you don't have any Metamask wallet, try to get one. So when you open it, you come on here, click on that Binance Smart Chain up there. You can see a drop down. Okay, when you click on there, then you click on add network. Okay, so after that you come on custom network. So right here we are going to paste this name right here. Okay, just follow this procedure. Okay, so we are going to put in the network name, put in the all these details right there. So we copy and paste it in there. If you are not fast, your MetaMask could close while you're trying to get this done. So I think you should just look through the screen right here, and it will help you. So on here we are putting the chain ID. Okay, I think it's 89 or 57. I don't know what that is. So let's go. Okay, I think yeah, 8957. So let's do that real quick. We are already running out of time. So after doing that one, we have to get the symbol. The symbol is ETE. So after that one, then we have to get on here to get the Explorer. Okay, that's the blockchain itself. So that's what we are going to go get. So this is taking a lot of time. So let's get back on MetaMask, because if you don't take time, the MetaMask could close. So let's just get the website right there. Okay, because that's the Explorer. If you remove /RPC, So that's the Explorer, which is the main blockchain. Okay, so on there, when you open it, you see the main blockchain. Blockchain, that's where you see all the whole information, like records of transactions. So after that, I think that is all. Then you click on add. So you click on add, then you click on add. After clicking on add, then what you see is that this will come up. Okay, you see that we've done that successfully. So you can see right here. Okay, we now have the Ethereum Express network already on our Metamask. So that's it. So we click on there. Okay, when you click on there, come on receive. Okay, then come here and click on copy right there, that is underneath. So when you click on there, then you come back on here. Okay, on the gleam.io, so we can put in our wallet address right there, since we've been able to fulfill all the whole tasks given right there. So you put it right there. Okay, I think this airdrop is going to, okay, after doing it, okay, just hold on. Okay, you come on here, do that gently. Sometimes the site can be logging, so you put it right there. Okay, you paste it. So after putting, oh, that's good, you click on continue. So when you do that, you get that check mark right there. Then you see that we've done everything. So this airdrop is going to be ending in I think on 30th. I don't know. You guys should join fast, and so you can get your own. Follow me on all my social media handle, and catch you again.